At the CBCF, we have taken notice of a video circulating on one author's Facebook, in which you can see one 100 PL banknote, of which the motion surface deviates a little bit from the normal color of that the motion surface should have. In the meantime, we have received one of those banknotes and we have investigated banknote and we can confirm that that banknote is authentic. When investigating a banknote to determine whether or not it's authentic, you should also look to all the other security features too. In this case, for instance, if we look to the motion surface, we see that the 3D effect that the banknote should have, it has it. The same we can say for the other security features. The banknote contains those security features. Okay, as part of the printing process, it can happen that the banknote may have, let's say, a certain part of the banknotes you can have, let's say, different colors, or that the placing of the security features is slightly different from the other ones. So that shouldn't be a problem as long as the banknote contains all those security features, and you can also determine that the security features has the effect that they should have. We encourage the public, whenever they have banknotes of which they say, okay, yeah, they doubt on the authenticity of the banknote, please contact the CBCS and we will investigate that banknote